I am Arijit Chatterjee and I am currently a first year student pursuing my MBA course at Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur. And prior to joining VGSOM, I am basically a BE electrical engineer from Thapar University, Patiala. And after that, I have worked with Reliance Infrastructure Limited as assistant manager in the contracts and commercial as well as the project management department for 2 years. Now coming to my GDP experience, I will take up the GD experience. Like in my case, my venue was Delhi, so I gave my interview in Delhi, and there in GD we had a group of 8 people, and the topic was basically it was a case discussion, wherein we were given a case to discuss about a strategy of an organization which was trying to foray into a new market. Basically, it was about Philips actually, and it was trying to foray into the like it was thinking of abandoning the manufacturing of incandescent lamps and focusing fully on the CFL lamps. So it was basically a case discussion on that. Now coming to my experience, like it was in our group was a fish market. So it was very difficult to speak because like there were 4 or 5 guys in between who were not letting anyone speak. So my advice to all the aspirants will be like if you face any such kind of situation, then it is better always to just put forward your valid point and then don't contribute to the fish market. Just focus on adding value to the discussion rather than just creating havoc. So this will be this is what I did. I just entered, pitched in 2-3 times, but made some valid points. And then now coming to my interview experience, like I was the first one to get interviewed on that day. So our panelist was like it was the number of interviewers were 2, one male faculty and one female faculty. And so it's basically started off with my introduction. Like since I am having a WorkX in the core sector, so it basically focused on that, like the kind of work I used to do while I was in Reliance. It started off with that. Then they moved on to some questions related to mathematics and physics. So in my case, I was asked about the Newton-Raphson method. Basically, that was like I was given a cubic equation, and then I was asked like how do I proceed about solving that question. So then I discussed the iterative methods, and Newton-Raphson was also one of them. Then I was asked some basic questions in physics that was mainly related to electricity, potential, and since I am from the electrical engineering background, some questions related to that, basic Ohm's law, Kirchhoff law, all that applications. So more or less it was kind of a technical interview with a bit of touching upon my WorkX. So that was how it went. I answered all the questions to the best of my ability, and in the end I was asked that if I had any question. So therein lies the key point, like all the aspirants have to show their eagerness to join VGSOM. So therein I asked some questions related to the clubs and committees of VGSOM, and I think that actually worked in my favor. So finally, my advice to all the aspirants who are aspiring to join VGSOM the coming year will be, firstly, if you are having WorkX, then you should be thorough with your WorkX, and WorkX like the kind of work you do, and also you should be very clear about your reason for going for an MBA program. Also for the freshers, like you should be very clear with the core topics. Like if you are an electrical engineer, then you should focus on, like you should be clear with the basic concepts of or all the concepts of electrical engineering, and likewise for all the branches. And also you should touch upon all the basic concepts of physics, mathematics as well as chemistry, because some guys were even asked questions related to basic like chemistry concepts. So that way. So that is all. All the best.